So this classical understanding of the true, the good, and the beautiful is worked out several ways in the classroom at Hope Scholars Academy. First, we are providing a distraction-free learning environment. This is very important, especially as we're understanding the neurological challenges to growing brains as a result of all the electronics that they have. That means for us during the school hours, there are no phones, tablets, or laptops allowed. The school is focused on a discussion-based collaborative setting. We seek to explore the subjects learned through the lens of wonder in a hands-on setting. Now, this does not mean that we're anti-technology. No, we're trying to balance the personal interactions during the school day with a wise use of technology by the teacher in the classroom. We have the latest and best technology available for our teachers, and they will use that to illustrate the material taught. Second, we bring the good, the true, and the beautiful through maximizing our personal interactions throughout the school day. We're trying to combat the rising student loneliness with personal relationships where the community and all voices are involved around the table. We seek to develop young people who can follow the logic of an argument, speak clearly and respectfully about their beliefs, and defend those who have no voice. This will be developed through discussions around the classroom table, in student presentations, and also in field trips exploring the greater world around them.